of you has gone missing. I know it's real, but I'm telling you.
Good morning and welcome back, or welcome to the channel if you are new here. My name is Brienne and I share a ton of cleaning and homemaking motivation, kind of like today's video. And so in today's video, we are going to be tidying up and just cleaning around, trying to catch up after my kids got sick. So yeah, we're moving through the whole house today. Lots to do. I hope that you can put me up on whatever device, clean along with me, tackle your mess, and just get it all done together. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Of course, with the girls being sick, the first thing I had to do was wash all of their bedding. So I wanted to go ahead and strip their beds and just get some laundry going. I feel like there is always so much laundry to do after like somebody is sick in the house. It just kind of seems to pile up a little bit extra. And so again, just wanted to kind of get that done. I was using my Molly Suds laundry detergent, and then yeah, just got that washing so that I could get going and doing some other stuff. So this was actually about half an hour later. I was switching the laundry over and getting the girls' bedding switched over and taking everything else out of the dryer so that I could start folding. I think I had about 4 or 5 loads of laundry to fold. But before we get into some of that laundry motivation, I wanted to just kind of get our bedroom light and bright. I love opening up the curtains. It helps me to feel inspired and gets me motivated to kind of get some things done, as making my bed does. They're kind of like my domino chore or my ripple effect chore, which leads me from one thing to the next. And so I really like starting my day off with making my bed and just opening those curtains. And then I feel like I am ready to tackle the day. I wanted to give you a nice warm welcome if you are new around here, or if you are a returning viewer. I would love to have you join our growing YouTube family. We are on our way to 5K and I cannot wait to get there. On top of that, I can see in my analytics that majority of you who watch my channel are not subscribed. So make sure that you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button if you enjoy today's video. I share a lot of cleaning motivation, homemaking motivation, and I also like to share a lot of decluttering and organization, as well as home DIY. So basically any sort of motivation to do with the home. I consider myself to be a homemaker. I am a mom of 2 little kids. I am married, and I also clean houses professionally outside of the home. So that is a little bit about me. Go ahead and introduce yourself in the comments if you haven't already. I would love to get to know you a little bit better, and just let me know where you are from. As you can see, my house was totally trash. I don't know how it got this messy, to be honest. I think, well, I do. My kids' playroom just gets totally trashed every single day, but we're usually really good about getting them to clean it up. But when they were sick, I'm not going to force them to clean up the playroom. So that's how that happened. And then the laundry room has actually been our DIY station, if you will. So down there we have been painting trim and baseboards. And yeah, if you are new around here, we just moved into this house back in October, and we DIY'd the entire interior of this house. So we did some minor renovations and home improvements. We painted the entire interior of the house. We sanded and refinished and stained our hardwood floors, and we just did a lot of projects. And so with that, we had to take off our baseboards, and that meant we also needed to put them back on, but they needed to be painted. So that's what we've been doing in the laundry room, as it is too cold to do in our garage. Okay, all of the laundry is put away except for these cleaning cloths. So these are kind of like our DIY and yeah, cleaning cloths that we use. I obviously don't want to wreck my really expensive and good Enjo ones, and so these are just kind of like some old rags and microfiber cloths that I ended up keeping that, yeah, we use when we are doing home projects and stuff like that, or painting, or, you know, whatever. So moving on to my kids' room, there is some cleaning and tidying that needs to be done in here. It has been a while since I've brought a vacuum, and so yeah, we're gonna go ahead, get this place tidied, get it all nice and clean, and mosey on to the rest of the house. I feel like the hardest part about getting going, whether you are trying to clean or just cook something or whatever it is, like just get that task done in your house. The hardest part is starting. And so I find that if you can find that ripple effect chore that I was talking about in the beginning of the video, what is that one chore for you that gives that ripple effect, right? Some people call it like a domino effect, where it leads you from one part of your to-do list to the next, to the next, to the next. Some ripple effect or domino effect chores that I like, or that I consider to be those, are making your bed, again, opening up your blinds. It sounds so silly, but letting that natural light in is so good for you, and it just really helps to just get you motivated to do some things. I also really like to unload and load my dishwasher because I can't stand having things in my kitchen sink. I always say it's the waitress in me. I was a waitress for a really long time. And so those are some tasks that really help me to do the harder tasks, like laundry or cleaning my floors or whatever. Again, those tasks are for you. I would love to know. Let me know down below in the comments. What is your like ripple effect chore? And what is a task that you just do not enjoy doing as a homemaker?
Hope is the last thing that I need. Wanna feel something that's real. With you I get that. You're like a lighthouse in a dream. Really distant but your beam is guiding me home. So cold, get warm when you hold me, when you close.
Moving through the whole house here, we are just going to use my Enjo mop to go ahead and dust the floors. And then we are going to move into the kitchen here and get some stuff done in there. I would love to know what you are doing down below. Let me know. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and really just pushes this video out to more people who would like it and just who need some motivation. So it really helps me out, and I greatly, greatly appreciate it.
You shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
As you can see, there's not a lot of cleaning to do here in the kitchen. We are basically just wiping the surfaces and getting everything cleaned, but not much tidying to do in here is what I meant to say. I found these at Michael's and they were on sale 50% off, so I think I paid like $10 each, and I am so excited to start decorating the kitchen and the dining room a little bit more for Christmas coming up really soon. I hope we're able to go get our real tree as well this week, so when you're watching this video, I'm hoping that we are like at the Christmas farm the next day. And so we'll see. It all depends on my husband's schedule and also the weather. It's all weather pending. So while Rocky, my Roborock vacuum, is cleaning the floors upstairs, I am going to focus on tidying this up for the girls. I know when they get home from school, it'll make them so happy that they don't have to do it. Usually we're really good at making them tidy up. They tidy every day at 4 o'clock before they are allowed to watch a show. But with them being sick, I have allowed things to slide, and that's okay. I don't mind helping out occasionally and just putting everything back where it goes. And again, I know it's gonna make them super, super happy. So if you are not already up and cleaning along with me, I'm gonna put on some inspirational music while I get this tidied up. I hope that you can get motivated to tackle your mess and clean along with me. Again, do that load of laundry, do the dishes, whatever it is. There is always something to do around the house. So come on, girl, get up and clean along with me. Let's go.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easier. Follow me into the night, without you I'm falling deeper. Stay a bit longer, yeah, I just need you to, I just need you to. Stay a bit longer, I just need you to. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation.
I hope that you guys enjoyed that little bit of a music break. I feel like I'm very chatty in today's video, so I apologize about that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and infuse my vacuum. This is my rainbow vacuum, the SRX. I love this thing. It has a very, very hefty price tag, but it is so worth it as it also helps to purify your air as well. So it's not just a vacuum. So we're gonna go ahead and get the basement vacuumed up here. It's looking so much better in here, and it just feels so much better when this space is cleaned, as I can see it from the kitchen.
Just for motivation. Wow, wow. I could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know that it's hard, but stay
gross is this water. I find it so disgustingly satisfying that this is what came out of the carpet. Just the carpet. I have not vacuumed any other area or part of our home. And it's just so crazy how much it pulls out. So here's a nice before and after shot transformation for you guys. I love sharing before and after shots. And if you haven't noticed, I try to keep things super relatable and real on here. What you see is what you get. I do not pre-clean, clearly, or allow my house to get messy intentionally just so that like I have a video. To be honest, to me, everything is content. So if my house is super clean and like I'm caught up on everything, then I can share more deep cleaning videos or like organizational or like super fun ones. When it's a total disaster because we were sick or I let things slide or, you know, we were just spending time as a family and busy, like whatever it is, you get to see the total mess. And so I hope that when you come here, you can feel less alone in your homemaking journey and that you can relate to these videos. I'm not always inspired or motivated either. And honestly, I too come to YouTube for like similar cleaning videos like mine for inspiration and motivation. And I would say I actually watch YouTube like daily. Let me know down below, how often do you watch YouTube?
Make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. While, while. Make it worth your while. While, while. And I'll make it worth your while. While, while. Make it worth your while.
I did end up leaving the tarp here because there was still some more baseboards that we needed to paint. And so it's not perfect by any means. This is just what we're dealing with for now, but it works and it looks 1,000 times better. So thanks for watching. We will see you guys on Sunday. Bye.